Hello everyone, I'm Josh and I make videos on ways that you can save, make money, and all things related to your finances. So if you care about your money, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. Today I'm going to give you a somewhat tour of my home to show you how cheap and frugal living really looks. I got this idea from Dawn over at Centsible Living with Money Mom. She has a great channel and she's also very personable. After you watch this video, you can go over there to get her take on this subject. There is a difference between being frugal and being cheap. So being cheap is about spending less, even if it sacrifices quality, value, and time in order to cash in on a short-term savings goal. And a frugal person is a person who thinks ahead. The frugal person plans, budgets, and create a roadmap to their destination. Being frugal is about prioritizing your spending so that you can have more time to spend your money on the things that you really care about. Being frugal is not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. So let me go ahead and show you some of the ways that I am being resourceful here at my home. Come on, let's go. So one of the ways that I am being frugal is by cutting my own lawn. Before, I used to pay someone $60 twice a month in order to cut the yard. However, I decided to go and get my own lawnmower and begin to do the work myself, and I am saving over $120 a month. All right, so that's some of the things that we have going on outside that we have our frugal lifestyle with. So let's head on over into the kitchen and I'm going to show you some of the things that you can do at home and not forsake your lifestyle. So one of the great things that we have here, this is what you call a Keurig coffee maker. And with this Keurig, you can do hot chocolate, you can do tea, hot water, and also coffee. I have a K-cup here. And wait, hold on, I know what you're thinking, that a K-cup, that's not really being frugal. Yes, a K-cup is not being cheap. However, frugality is talking about being resourceful. I got this K-cup here for a great price, great deals. So you want to make sure that you're taking those grocery hauls as well. Check out more grocery hauls with The Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm going to link their channel down below as well, and just tell them that Josh sent you. You can save so much money just by brewing your own coffee here at home. So I'm just going to make a good 8 ounces here, and what you do, you just press it. Even with this Keurig machine, I got this for a great price. This is a commercial grade Keurig machine. They go for $349. I got this online refurbished for $49. And as you can see, we have an air fryer here, and cooking at home will save you so much money. People never realize how much money you really spend until you start cooking at home, because then you'll be like, oh, this money, where is it coming from? So here's the stove. We make smoothies here, our toaster. And one of our favorites is also this Instapot. There's a channel out there, and it is an amazing channel. They have great flavorful recipes and that you can make in no time. I'm not really a big cooker. My wife, her people down from Mississippi, so she do all of the cooking. However, I can put something in here in a few minutes time by following My Fork in Life. That's the name of the channel. And by just going through those steps that Tanya takes us on My Fork in Life, and like in no time, it's great food. My wife is happy. And you know what they say? Happy wife, happy life. I gave up sodas for health reasons. So this right here is one of my favorites in the kitchen as well. This is your soda stream machine. And with this, and it's healthy as well, you can just take some tap water and you just fill it up all the way to the line. Here we are. And what you do is you come right over here. This is nothing but tap water, okay? Put a filter on your water and you won't really tell the difference at all. And the cool thing is you just press that down for about 3 good presses and it's gonna be good as new. All right, bring the camera in just a little bit. And I want y'all to just see this fizz. Look at that. And so the thing is, it's no sugar. This right here is all natural flavor. And you can just put this in here just like that. And look at this, this is so awesome. That is so good. So going back over here to the coffee machine, or the Keurig, should I say, because it's more than just a coffee machine. I'm not trying to sell this, but this is just awesome. And look here, by the time I walked around the kitchen, we have a whole cup of coffee here. Hot. But it's good. This is one of my prizes as well. This is a piano. And the thing is, and why do you say this piano goes in with frugality? Because this is my therapy as well. So a lot of times, whenever I'm feeling just a little stressed, I would just jump on the piano and I can just play for hours. I would play for you right now, but it needs to be tuned, okay? So I will do another video on tuning the piano, all right? So let's head on upstairs and we will go on to the laundry room. So I am inviting you into my home today, but I would be remiss to say that even if you're out there looking for a home right now, that you don't want to go for the first price. Everything that you see here right now is also for a great frugal deal. I was being resourceful even as I was shopping. But come on, let me show you into the laundry room real quick. So the reason that being in the laundry room, we have detergent here. And with this detergent, you can see it's the economy big size. You want to make sure that when you're purchasing your laundry detergent, that you're not getting the small overpriced ones. Like even this right here, I can get 185 loads out of this one container. And also we only wash about once a week, and that's for a family of 4. This right here is the restroom. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you inside. I don't think that would be necessary. All of the toilets in my home, I did do the work myself in replacing all of them. The plumbers wanted to charge north of $300 to have that done. However, I purchased the toilet again for a resourceful price, and therefore I saved over $900 just by doing the work myself. So the first room that we're gonna go into is my daughter, Lizzy. They also have a show, the Lizzy and Jessie show. I'm gonna link all of that down below if you wanna check out some of the work they do. They edit their own videos, they come up with their own content, and it's amazing. The reason that I brought you into Lizzy's room here, I painted this room, I hung the televisions and everything. The painter wanted to charge $350 in order to paint the room and outline the room. However, I purchased the paint for $25, okay? So all of this is about $25 worth of work. The couch here, it was a gift. And the desk also was a gift as well. We got the chair for $25 on eBay. Y'all, this is about a $75 chair. And as well as her bed, like that was such of a great deal. $79 whenever it was online for $225. So again, being frugal is not about being cheap, but it is about being resourceful. So coming into Jessie's room, the same thing is I painted this room as well. The couch that you see here, the couch, I got that for $69 where the original price was $175, okay? And the bed being the same, got that for a steal. The desk, this desk is from IKEA. We got this on the 4th of July. So we also took advantage of all of those sales that were going on, as well as coupons and different discounts that we saw online. And also the television, this television, and Lizzy has one too, it's from Best Buy and it came with the Amazon Alexa. So the two were a pair, and we got both of those for $100. I mean, where else? I mean, just the Echo itself run in the ballpark of about $49, $59. You want to make sure that you're being resourceful and seeing what deals out there that you can get. So I want to take y'all to one of my favorite toys in the house. This is one of my favorite toys in the entire house, and got this thing for a steal. So come on in, this is the bedroom. We try our best to keep everything tidy and clean. So this right here is a massage chair, and this is a beauty. I used to go to the masseuse and I was spending about $75 every single month in a membership just to get a massage. Well, I ran across this massage chair a few years ago, got it for a great deal. This is a $1,400, well, hold on, let me talk while I'm sitting in it. This will probably help me feel good. Oh yeah. Oh, this is so good. So the thing is, I got this $1,400 chair, believe it or not, for $300. It was $299 plus tax. It feels great. I was able to cancel my masseuse membership, so now whenever I'm feeling just a little achy and need a massage, I just come over here in my corner, and a lot of times, as you can probably tell right now, that a lot of times I can come over here and it just gives the best massage, and you can easily go to sleep in this thing, I tell you. And it does your feet, your legs. I'm not trying to sell the chair, but oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to keep going. Okay. Whew. So like I said, it's not about what you have, because some people would say, well, that's not being so frugal. Remember, it's being resourceful. I don't buy things just because they're on sale. I put my head to the pillow and I sleep on it for a while. I never make an impulse purchase. However, if I find something and if I go home, go to lay down, and I wake back up the next day and I still say like, I want that, I go out and get it. Only if it's for a deal, only if I can afford it. I never put any of this stuff on credit or debt. Whenever I mean afford it, I mean if I can buy it at least 10 times with the money that I have in my pocket, I can't afford it. I kind of feel like just hanging out there for the rest of the day. So after I record this video, y'all know where I'm gonna be, right? So let's come on over to the restroom here. So another thing I decided to do a few years ago in order to save money is to cut my own hair. So before I started cutting my own hair, I was paying $25 every time I went to the barbershop. I went to the barbershop twice a month, so therefore if I was spending $50 every month just for a haircut, not including the tip. The clippers that you see me cutting with cost $100, so it paid for itself in about 2 months. So let me go on and take you to my sanctuary. In the sanctuary, that's where all of the magic takes place, where I record and edit my videos. And the special thing about this particular room is that I built it all by myself. So this right here is the studio that I built. Believe it or not, all of this right here was added space. So let me go on and reset the lights for you, because the lights are like this right now because sometimes I just like to come out here and just relax. The same way that I was in the chair. However, the chair wasn't able to fit through the door, because even getting it into the bedroom, I had to take the door down. But in order to finish this room, as you can look around, that I got a quote here for about $12,000 in order to finish this. My wife and I, we came out here, $2,000 max, and we were able to complete this entire room. Even the computer over here, I was able to purchase this computer and still had no problems with it. It is a refurbished computer, but it's still service purpose, okay? If you can look up, I ran some duct work. After checking with the HVAC company, it was going to be about $3,000 to run the duct work. So therefore, another frugal purchase, I went out and purchased this $500 air conditioner for about $249. Why? Because it was on sale. So eventually I will go on and do the duct work after I figure out how to do that. But everything from the electricity, the painting, this is where all of the magic normally takes place. So right now on your screen, I'm going to show you some pictures of the different stages of this room in order to get to this point right now. I know this room, yeah, it's not perfect, but right now it's serving its purpose. So what are some of the ways that you live frugally? Leave those in the comment section below. Check out more videos over there, and on the top video, I break down the difference between being cheap and being frugal. Remember that being frugal is not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful, and I will see you in the next video.